Welcome everybody. In this video we'll be talking about how to remove dust particles from your filament. For example, here we have a black filament which has a lot of white dust particles on it. And if we continue to use the filament like this, we're eventually going to clog our extruder, which could lead to printing issues. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what you're gonna need is a sponge, just a regular dish sponge. You're gonna need a paper clip and then also a scissor, of course. Alright, and what you're gonna do is, I've already pre-cut one of these sponges. I'm gonna demonstrate it with this one. You will make a strip of the sponge like this, just cut it along, just like that. And then I'm gonna rip this part out. Actually, let's cut one more time to make a square. Then once you have a square you like, you rip the rough part off and you're left with the sponge. And if there's some residual material from the rough part here, you could always use the scissor to trim that off. Alright, and so then you're gonna use your paper clip, straighten that out, to make a guide hole in the center of that cube. Let's do that. There we go. And then I have just a strip of filament here. You're gonna put it through the hole, make sure it goes through. There we go. And now as your filament is being pulled, you see it gets cleaned through this little sponge. Alright, let's see it on the printer. Alright, so now that we have our sponge ready to go, we need to attach it to the filament over here. And to do that, I've 3D printed this little adapter that I'm gonna put a link to the description below. You can download it as well if you want it. And we just put it inside this adapter, close it up, and then we'll guide the filament through the hole here. There we go. Just get it through to the other side. There we go, so now it's to the other side. Now you can insert it in here through the guide tube and just get it all the way in. And now as you're printing, it's gonna get the filament will be going through this sponge and cleaning it before it gets to your actual extruder. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time.